Prepare yourselves. 3 months ago, an unauthorized military experiment was uncovered in which a creature was modified at the genetic level. Open it. It is called Experiment 626. Thoroughly unpleasant. His recent attack on the peaceful populace of the planet Pistok is a mere addition to the nauseating list of mischief and hooliganism that has earned him the prestigious title of Public Nuisance Number 1. Experiment 626. You've given no indication that you are anything but dangerous. But I can give you this one chance. Show us that there is something inside you that is good.
Answer, you piece of garbage!
No! I hereby sentence you to life imprisonment on a maximum security asteroid. Captain Gantu, take him away.
With pleasure.